One of the nice features of a Google site is how well it integrates with other Google tools. In this video, I will show you how to embed a Picasa web slideshow, Google Form, and Google presentation right on your web page. Embedding is different than linking. Here is a Google Doc that I want to link to my site. To do so, I just need to make sure it is shared so that anyone with the link can view it. Then I need to copy its share link. And I go over to my site, edit my page, and use that chain link icon on the toolbar to hyperlink it. In contrast to linking, embedding puts the item right on your web page. Before you can add any item, you need to, of course, previously created it. So you'll see my Picasa account already houses an album with the pictures I want to use in my slideshow. Also, you need to make sure that all items you add to your site are shared either as public or viewable by anyone with the link. If not, users will see a blank space or permissions error instead of your embedded item. Let's start by adding a picture slideshow. Choose the pencil icon to edit the page you would like to add the slideshow to, and put your cursor where you'd like the slideshow to appear. Now choose the Insert menu, Google+, and then Photo Album. This will bring up a list of all of your existing photo albums, and you can again quickly check the permissions right here. This album from August 18th has a lock icon by it, meaning it's private. I would need to go back to Picasa to change its sharing settings if I wanted to add it to my site. I will use this RVHS LMC album. The chain link icon means it is shared anyone with a link, which is perfect for my site. I just need to click on the album's name and then the blue select button. Now I can customize how my album appears. 288 pixels is pretty small, so I will increase the size of my album to large. I'm not a big fan of several moving elements on a page, but I do want this slideshow to autoplay, so I will leave that checked. If I didn't, I would simply uncheck the box. Everything else looks good, so I will choose the red Save button. To see what my album looks like, I need to click the blue Save button to get out of editing mode. If you want to make any changes to your slideshow, just return to editing mode, click on the album, and use the Properties icon to make your adjustments. Now let's look at adding a form to my page. I have this assignment submission form that I want to appear right on my web page. I will put my cursor where I'd like my form to appear and again access the Insert menu. I'll choose Drive and then Form. I have a lot of forms, so instead of scrolling through the list, I will use the search at the top of the window. Once located, I just need to click on the form and then the blue Select button. I will leave the defaults and then choose the red Save button, knowing that I may need to adjust the height and width after I preview my form. I will choose the blue Save button to exit editing mode, and now I can see that my form is too narrow and too tall. So let me edit the page and select the Properties icon for the form to change it. That looks much better. Let's continue on and now add a Google Slides presentation to this page. Here is the lesson I have in Google Slides that I want to add to my page. Again, choose the pencil icon to edit the page, and I will place my cursor where I want my presentation to appear. I will visit the Insert menu, again choose Drive, and this time I will select Presentation. I will locate my presentation and then use the blue Select button to add it to my site. In this case, I do not want the presentation to autoplay, so I will not select the Start Slideshow option. Adjust the other properties as needed and then choose Save. Using the same process, you can add Google Documents, spreadsheets, and Google Drawings to your site as well. I typically hyperlink Google Documents to my page instead of adding them to the page because of the space they take up, but you can embed any of these items if you like to.